of length 130 centimeter and mass 5 kg. So we have a broomstick of length 130, mass is 5 kg. The broom head of mass 5.5 kg. Okay. The stick is of length 130 and broom head is 5.5 kg attached at one end. By modeling the broomstick as a uniform rod and a broom head as a particle, find where a support should be placed so that broom will remain in balance. Okay.
Yes.
So I think this he picked it from Harry Potter movies or some witches and all. So let us say the broom is coming up to this point and the center of mass of this head is at this point itself. Okay.
Yes.
So broomstick is of length 130 centimeters, and mass of the broomstick is, it will act at the center, right?
Yes.
Center at downward direction. 5g will be the mass of the stick, and at the end point, so we are assuming that the center of gravity of the head is exactly at one end of the rod. Okay.
Yes.
So if that is the case, then at the end point 5.5 g will be the weight that is acting. Okay.
Yes.
So now we have to find the point. Okay. The point will be somewhere in the middle, right? Correct? Huh?
Yes.
So this point we need to find. Let's say distance we are measuring from here. So this distance x we need to find, at which this will remain in balance. Okay. So let's say this point is O. Then we have to find sigma m O. This should be 0. You know? Hello. So find all the moments about this point one by one. 5g. What is the distance here? This is 130. So this one will be 130 by 2. 130 by 2. So we want this distance, that distance. Let's give some names here. So A, B, and C, something like this. So we want distance AO. We want distance A to O, and this is moving in anti-clockwise direction, so plus. Then this force 5.5g is at this distance, that is OB or BO distance, and this one is rotating in clockwise direction, so it should be negative. This total should be equal to 0. Now what is the length AO? What is the length AO? AO length is x minus 130 by 2, no?
Yes.
X minus 130 by 2, and this whole term, let's take it to the other side, it becomes positive. So 5.5g into BO. Now BO distance will be how much? It will be total length 130 minus x, no?
Yes.
130 minus x. Now we just need to find the value of x. That's it. So solve it. Open the brackets. 5gx minus this becomes 75 or 65. So 5 times 65 equals 5.5 g into 130 minus 5.5 gx. Now take all the x terms one side. So 5g plus 5.5g equals this total. If we take we take g common, that is 130 times 5.5. This term will come this side, 5 times 65. So find the value of x. I think g will cancel out now because g is there in every places. If g is taken outside, it will get cancelled with this. So x equals find it. Okay, now definitely I'll need to use that calculator. Okay, so 130 into 5.5 plus 5 into 65 divided by 5 plus 5.5, 99.05, correct?
Yes.
99.05 in centimeters. Okay,
Yes.
that's it.